Vacuum Stand Mannequin Head Holder by Hair Art. Suction base securely mounts to any flat surface. Adjustable bar can be rotated and locked to any desired position. Vktech plastic folding stable durable wig hair hat cap. Just the size I was looking for. My wig has loonnng hair and I don't have enough ceiling space between my bookshelf, so thank God when I put it UO and the top of the wig didn't brush my ceiling. Lucky Fine Professional Barber Shears Holster Scissors Holder Pouch Hair. My daughter loved this. She is a cosmetology student and needed this. It's very nicely made. QY20 PCS Bright Colors Beads Barrette Spiral Coil Hair Holders. Very nice wraps and easy to use, make neat and beautiful hairstyle in 1 second. About QY. QY is a new business on Amazon created by a group of sports enthusiasts, mainly selling various sport items and fashion small items with reliable price. Ensure every buyer enjoy the fun of shopping. Excellent quality is the business purpose. Want you say yes to us? Note this listing is for a product manufactured by QY. Take full ownership and responsibility for the quality of QY products. This UPC is trademarked under QY. Any violation will be reported to Amazon without any prior warning. Lucky Fine Adjustable Tripod Stand Hair Cosmetology Mannequin Training Head. I bought a tripod like this and I love it. The way it compacts together to fit into a small bag you can carry helps. I'll find it easy to carry and put together as well. The only problem I do have is that because of its light weight it does lift easily when I am brushing my mannequin. I love everything about this tripod and the price is very reasonable.